Today we will learn about Amazon forest. There are few points about Amazon forest. One largest rainforest, Amazon covers around 5.5 million sq.km across 9 countries. 2 Earth's lungs produces about 20% of the world's oxygen. 3 Biodiversity, home to over 40,000 plant species and millions of animals and insects. 4 Unique animals, Jaguar, Anaconda, Sloth, Harpy, Eagle, Pink River Dolphin. 5 Amazon River, world's largest freshwater system, carrying 20% of Earth's fresh water. 6 Climate importance, helps regulate the planet's temperature and rainfall. 7 Threats, deforestation and human activities are destroying the forest. 8 Why save it? Protecting the Amazon means protecting life, oxygen, and climate for future generations.